throughout this project, we actually came up with a solution. We worked with Purdue University, as well as the contractor Kiewit side, and then our own in-house engineers to come up with a solution that we call the Plinko plate that allowed us to basically create a pattern of arrest holes that would capture any cracks that form in this fillet weld that's between the flange and the web, and arrest them should it come to light in the future. Sure. So once the structure was closed, we really needed to limit the stresses on the structure, and so we actually needed to keep all the repairs under 9,000 pounds. So even getting a crane out to lift the steel plates underneath the structure to bolt them on was pretty difficult. And then I think the other really interesting thing is that we really needed this to be a bolted solution, because this kind of steel can't be easily field welded. So we actually had over 50,000 bolts that had to go into the structure for the repair in order to make this a safe structure and a resilient structure for the future. The big win is that we reopened on time for the public by the July 4th weekend. So we were able to work with the contractors through the CMGC process, work with the owner, CDOT, and get that bridge reopened for traffic within a couple months of the crack being found.